we are in Reddington Shore Beach here in St. Pete, Florida. The waves are about 7 feet. Look at those. Those are amazing. This is Tropical Storm DEBBY. That's in the Gulf. And right here, look at that. Look at those waves. Those places up there are going to flood, that's for sure. Look at that surf coming in. We got a big nasty storm coming right there, out through there, see? The Weather Channel is out here somewhere. They might be down there. I see some people. Sidell from the Weather Channel. This is a place where you can park. See that stuff? That's how much that tide has come in from this tropical storm. It's just amazing. Amazing what weather can do. The fierceness of Mother Nature. Karen, what do you want to say to the grandkids?
Hi everybody at home, enjoy our wonderful Florida sunshine.
See, it's already came up since we've been here. So that's how a tropical storm looks in the Gulf of Mexico. You don't want to be out there swimming today, because I tell you, you can be a good swimmer, but it ain't going to matter. I guarantee you're going to drown.